15s on 2 SK4500.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
So you actually got a demo of this thing at the Sundown Audio Show last year, but we went and did a complete remodel of the entire thing.
What did you... So just tell me everything you got like I've never seen it. Go ahead.
Like you've never seen it before.
All
It's 4 ZV5 15s on 2 SK4500s wired at half.
Okay.
The wall was built by Trey Cooper, TC Designs. All the artwork and all that fun stuff was done by Aaron Becker, my good friend. All that was free-handed.
That's really good. Wow.
Yeah,
you climbed in the box to do it.
Yes, it was pretty fun. There was a lot of late nights working in there.
Oh, I'm sure.
So I put a time lapse of it. I posted on my channel. It was a really fun thing to actually be able to do.
Sweet.
And then we got 2 CES 320 amp volts under the hood.
Yep.
This voltmeter is all jacked up, but we're charging about 15.8. That's where we're at. So it picked up a little bit.
What are you peaking at?
29 hertz.
20, really? 29?
Yeah, 29 hertz.
Wow. Is that with the windows up or down?
Down, yeah. When I meter this thing, I did this was before I made all the changes to it. So
Okay.
I did a 57.8 under 10K at 29 hertz.
Really good.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can't clamp anything over 10K with those 4500s back there. It's kind of sad, but I think we got a little bit more out of it when we raised our voltage out there.
Yes,
so
sir.
that's pretty awesome.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Hey, man, no problem.
Yep.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Yes, you too.
I'll let you get
Oh,
it.
outside handle. That one's
Outside handle, base brakes, everything.
Yeah, man.
Picture. I have to get. This is art. I gotta get a picture of
Thank
this.
you, man. Really does mean a lot to me.
You're welcome, man. Yeah, I would love to hear it, man.
Awesome. I need to do that. I really
Just say demo playlist and put 10 songs you know that does good. That's what I do usually.
It looks a little different from last time, huh? Looks a little bit different.
Or just put a USB playlist with that on it.
Yeah. We're almost there. There we go.
Popping codes and attracting hoes. This is DJ.
Hertz.
20, really? 29?
29 Hertz.
Wow. Is that with the windows up or down?
Down, yeah. When I meter this thing, I did this was before I made all the changes to it. So
Okay.
I did a 57.8 under 10K at 29 Hertz.
Really good.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can't clamp anything over 10K with those 4500s back there. It's kind of sad, but I think we got a little bit more out of it when we raised our voltage up, so
Yes, sir.
that's pretty awesome.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Hey, man, no problem.
Yep.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Yep, you too.
I'll let you get
Oh,
in.
outside handle. That one's
Outside handle, base brakes, everything.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.